today, remember how last video I was telling you about the hats with cats? This is one hat, and this is the other hat. I know, I'm not that good, but yeah, they're not like made greatly, but okay. So I'll show you what they look like. So here's Puzzle. Let's try on her new hat. She loves it, right, Puzz? Yes, yes you do. Yes you do. Too bad. This is only for one video. I love you, Puzz. You can go now. Bye. Time to get Shadow. Hello, and here's Shadow. And now it's time to put the hat on Shadow. Do you like the hat? I guess you do not. No! Sorry, cause Shadow does not like her hat. Like if you loved this video. And also, I hope this gets a lot of views. Bye! And also, sorry for not making lots of videos. Because I've been busy making hats. So yeah. See ya.